Hey, my name is Jonathan. Today I'm gonna brush my hair by myself. First, I gotta put this on and squeeze the bottom of it, and then it come out. Nothing even coming out of it. You gotta squish it harder enough. I don't know how you do this. There. And I'll rub it. And I'll push the hair back. Rub it some more. And I'll comb it out. And brush it a little bit more. Some more. Subscribe and press the subscribe button. If you don't know what to do, how to make your hair, you can just ask us. And we will teach you. And then you gotta brush it in the back like this. Then it will turn backwards. You gotta lay back so the wind won't start over. Make me start over my hair by myself. The wind is too hot. My hair is gonna be like this. This is how I brush my hair. You like it, don't you? Of course, I know. You like it? Product is for your hair. Product makes your hair don't mess up. That's what product is. Do my hair a lot. See? Are you brushing your hair? Okay. Brush it back some more. Here's Scooby right here. He's looking. You see him? Scooby is my cat. I mean, dog. Scooby is just a dog pet. That's fake. I'll comb it out like this. I know it's a comb. It's always a comb. Gotta comb your hair out, or it would be tangled up some more. I'm sorry for hitting you. Okay. Mama.
What are you doing? You need to wrap it up, babe.
I'm done. Now I'm gonna let my hair dry and I'm gonna be right back. Me too. I'm back. My hair is all done. And my hair is dried. And I had to make it to a ponytail. Flat it like that between the other hair. Oh, I just have to ball it up. I did put it on. Squish it. I almost got it. Let's try that again. Now can I do it? You gotta squish it. Yeah, can I do it?